So you would have seen last night we were harvesting Sangiovese, and that batch of Sangiovese was to make our rosé called Rosetta. So with this grape harvester, it is this amazing self-propelled machine and self-leveling where all four wheels work independently. It essentially has these fingers that tickle off the grapes as the machine runs over the top of the row. It has the shakers, and they shake all of the grapes off, and then they fall into these buckets or conveyor belts. So we pick at night to keep the fruit cold. Slows the process of oxidation, so the juice turning brown and losing flavours and losing aromas. It also aids to reduce our running costs, so cooling costs, so we're not actually using energy to cool the grapes down. They're naturally cold when they go into the winery.